Welcome to Unlock Unlimited Profits. Launch your residential appliance repair business today, setting the stage for financial freedom through entrepreneurship, the allure of breaking free from traditional employment, the promise of the appliance repair industry as a pathway to unlimited profits. The lucrative world of appliance repairs, highlighting the indispensable role of appliances in modern homes. The constant demand for repair services in the ever-evolving technology landscape. Exploring the financial potential of addressing appliance malfunctions. Becoming your own boss. The empowering decision to step into entrepreneurship. Comparison between traditional employment and business ownership. The satisfaction of crafting your business vision and strategies. Low startup costs, high returns. Dispelling myths about high initial investments. Breaking down the essential tools and resources for starting an appliance repair business. The exponential growth potential as satisfied customers spread the word. Mastering appliance repair skills, emphasizing the significance of expertise in the industry. The importance of training and continuous learning. Gaining proficiency in diagnosing and repairing a wide range of appliances. Building a stellar reputation. The role of trust and reputation in establishing a successful business. Strategies for maintaining positive customer interactions. Leveraging online reviews and testimonials to enhance credibility. Navigating challenges and opportunities. Identifying common challenges faced by new business owners. Strategies for overcoming competition, pricing, and marketing obstacles. How challenges can lead to growth and innovation. The flexibility of entrepreneurship. Exploring the freedom and flexibility of being your own boss. Balancing work, personal life, and pursuing passions. The advantages of setting your own work hours and schedules. Impact and legacy. The ripple effect of your repairs on households and communities. Contributing to the overall functionality and convenience of daily lives. The satisfaction of leaving a positive mark on the world through your services. Embarking on your journey. Summarizing the steps to launching a residential appliance repair business. Encouraging readers to take action and realize their entrepreneurial dreams. Reinforcing the idea that financial freedom is attainable through strategic and determined efforts. Reflecting on the journey from traditional employment to entrepreneurship. Reiterating the potential of the appliance repair industry to unlock unlimited profits. Empowering readers to take the first steps toward launching their business. 1. The rise of disposable culture. Exploring the throwaway culture. The environmental impact of discarding appliances, the appeal of repairing and extending appliance lifespans. 2. Cost-effectiveness for consumers. The financial strain of constant replacements, cost comparison repair versus replacement, empowering consumers through repair options. 3. Complexities of modern appliances, increased reliance on technology and appliances, need for specialized knowledge and skills. Addressing electronic and software-related issues. 4. Limited manufacturer support. Shortcomings of manufacturer warranties. Extended wait times for official repairs. The role of third-party repair services. 5. The entrepreneurial opportunity identifying the market gap. Building a reputable repair business. Leveraging digital marketing for visibility. 6. Skill development and training. Importance of technical proficiency. Training programs and certifications. Navigating mechanical, electrical, and electronic repairs. 7. Building trust with customers. Establishing credibility and professionalism. Offering transparent pricing and quotes. The power of positive reviews and referrals. 8. Diversification of services. Repairing a variety of appliances. Expanding into commercial appliance repair, offering maintenance and troubleshooting guidance. 9. Navigating the legal landscape business, registration and licensing, adhering to environmental regulations, warranty considerations for repair work. 10. Embracing technological advancements, utilizing digital tools for diagnostics, online booking systems, and appointment tracking, incorporating automation for efficiency. 11. Challenges and how to overcome them. Sourcing quality replacement parts, dealing with complex repairs and diagnostics, handling customer expectations and complaints. 12. sustainability, and environmental impact, reducing electronic waste through repairs, promoting eco-friendly repair practices. Positioning your business as environmentally conscious. 13. The future of appliance repair. Anticipating trends in smart appliances. The role of AI and machine learning. Adapting to evolving repair